Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so I'm going to do a review on Mara. It's been a long time I didn't do it. Well, no surprise, Mara reacted to this very forever downtrend line. Got rejected once again, not a surprise. And what else? We do also have this uptrend green line. Are we going to bump into it again? This is like start to be a routine. And something more bullish, if I zoom in, some people that are more bullish are going to say, Mara is back, baby. This is the one, this is the two, and this was the third. Oh no, he's not. He's pulling back once again. I know, I'm being a little bit annoying today. It just, miners, they just, this cycle, sorry to say, they suck. So yes, we do have a potential 1-2 here, but because miners this cycle suck, I'm saying, well, maybe this is just an A, a B, and a C, and actually also that work. Now the dilemma that we're having now is, could be that this is indeed the beginning of the third wave, and this is the 1-2 of the third wave, and now we're going to make the third wave of the third wave. Let's go and analyze that. Did I already did it? What is this? Oh my goodness, this is exactly what I'm saying. Let me move it on the side, and you can see that it's still relevant. Didn't move, just went on the side forever. Can I see? Let me go on the 4 hours now. Okay, can I see? The problem is I can see also 5 wave down. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Maybe wave 5 not even finished. That's a problem. And here I was more bullish, was it? It just... Anyway, if discount, more bullish has to go, well, this is the time now. It cannot afford to go way lower than that, otherwise we're going to have a backup plan, which is, this isn't a diagonal now, not even a perfect one, because it didn't reach the 1-to-1 ratio. And I could call this an A, or I could call this a wave 1. This is a wave 2. Problem now is I count 5 wave down, so it's not looking good. Is there another way I can explain this? That's the thing, been a while I didn't do an update here, so I'm don't want to say lost, but I was saying this was a wave A. This was a wave B. Yeah, it's honestly unfortunate that 5 wave down. But to be fair, if price goes lower, okay, then I could say this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So ideally, honestly, reaching a lower level now for Mara, it would be beneficial, as crazy as it sounds, and reaching $13.26 would be even better. And then so I could call that honestly, I do feel calling this just an A. This is the B, and we're going to go to do a C. More bullish with pink glasses would be, this is a 1, this is a 2, and then we're going to do a 3, 4, 5. I start to don't believe into this green count anymore. I'm going to put this count here in, I Actually, is there a pink one? It would be, let me put a pink one, kind of. Yeah, here you go. Kind of. Yeah, so this is pretty much all that I wanna share on Mara. Now I wanna go and check Hot. Where are you, my dear Hot? The other chart would be better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was saying this could be a bigger wave 1. No, actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have a technically completed 5 waves. How come I didn't put any green count here? So this would be a wave 1, wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put that in dark blue, maybe. And I think this is that would be the retracement for a dark blue. Did I want to do that? Okay, so this is one count. Did I add another count? I think I had an A, yes, in orange. So 5 way up, complete a bigger wave 1 in blue, and now we're doing an A, overshooting wave B, really almost reached the limit, reacted to the 1.272 at 34.13, and now it looks like it's going down. If it does that, then can we calculate even the fib extension for this C wave? Let's do an attempt to do that. I guess I'm putting this in red now. This should be in red also. I think I almost feel taking it out. I'm going to leave it for a moment, but eventually I'm going to take it out. Just want to check here if I have the good settings. Wave C. See, it did change a little bit. Also red. Okay. A to C, so at least I remember what I'm doing. This is IB wave. All right, and this is wave 2. Okay, so now pretty clear now what is going to happen. 1-to-1 ratio. Well, what's going to happen? What could happen? Also, we would have the MA 200 support the 1-to-1 ratio wave A, wave C. So we can look at that. And is there something else? I think that's pretty much all I wanted to share concerning hot and mining. We do have this downtrend also. It acted as a support, was it yesterday? Yeah. And yeah, so that's pretty good, honestly. Could be much worse. Now, if we go really down, then I could add once again the 1.618 fib extension, and we would bring us back pretty much on this wave 2 or bigger wave B pullback. The danger zone would be if we go below $17.10, and since we're at $31 today, that would really, pardon me the expression, really suck. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.